The three most abundant elements on Earth are hydrogen, helium, and oxygen. Hydrogen helps to make fertilizer, welds metal, and also helps making plastic. Oxygen is used for breathing, and it is also used in the industry for making steel. Helium helps to inflate blimps, balloons, also pressurizes fuel tanks for rockets.
The most abundant elements in the Earth's crust are oxygen, silicon, aluminum, and iron. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust, making up 46.6% of it. It exists as a major compound of the silicate minerals where it combines with other elements. It also exists as a compound in carbonates and phosphates. Oxygen has industrial, medical, and commercial purposes. Silicon is the second most abundant element present in the crust, with 27.7%. It exists as a compound in the mantle and in the crust. In the crust, it exists combined with oxygen to form silicate minerals. It is found in the sand, which is an abundant and easily accessible resource on Earth. Aluminum is the third most abundant element in the Earth's crust. It makes up 8.1% of it, but is not a lone element. Aluminum is extracted from compounds, and the element is ideal because of its light weight, and they are extensively used to make utensil, foils, and packaging materials. Finally, iron exists in the Earth's crust, making up 5% of it. Iron element will always react with water and oxygen, and the surface of iron is silvery gray, and it has a tendency of oxidizing in the open air to produce hydrated iron oxide, commonly known as rust. Iron is used in many industries, but is most common to make utensils and kitchen appliances.
The amount of light that can pass through various types of rocks determines the transparency of the mineral. The three specific types include transparent, translucent, and opaque. Transparent minerals are able to have light shine directly through them. Translucent minerals let light pass through them, but in a partial manner. Opaque minerals are unable to have any light pass through. Minerals can have more than one level of transparency. As a result, they typically appear to be translucent. Tenacity is what keeps the particles of a mineral tight together and to not separate. Magneticism is the trait that allows a mineral to attract other magnetic materials to it.
One of the physical properties used to identify minerals is streak. The streak of a mineral is the color it displays in finely powdered form. The streak may be completely different from the color of the actual rock itself. One of the easiest ways of determining the streak of a mineral is to rub the specimen across a stake plate. Another physical property used to identify minerals is hardness. The hardness of a mineral is its ability to resist scratching with another object. Friedrich Mohs, a German mineralogist, developed a hardness scale over 100 years ago. The hardest mineral known, diamond, was assigned the number 10.
The Giant Causeway is a result of an accident volcanic eruption. It is located on the northeast coast of Northern Ireland, about 3 miles northeast of the town of Bushmills. Layers of basalt formed columns at the Giant Causeway, which creates a beautiful scenery here.